it is indiakhalise and welcome back to another video. It is later in the day. Y'all see where I'm at. My freaking SD card cracked this morning, so Vlogmas is starting a little late. Nevertheless, we still about to come out with more content for y'all. So right now I'm starving, so we're about to head across the street and go to the mall and get something to eat. I'm deciding between Chipotle and this little hibachi place that's in there. Then we're gonna go to the dollar store to get the infamous Christmas decorations. He's getting Panda Express, and I don't really like that. So should I get Chipotle or should I get hibachi?
You should get that hibachi.
You know, I just had that when we was there last time.
Bruh, that was like 2 weeks ago.
Okay, I might hit that up. I don't know yet. But I want to pick the camera back up and let y'all know what I'm even doing for the Vlogmas, right? I'm about to go to the dollar store and get decorations, and I got a whole bunch of different lists and stuff to pick from for different videos and different things to do each day of Vlogmas. The goal is to start today on the 1st and have a video for y'all every single day until the 25th. So make sure y'all turn on the post notifications, subscribing and liking, and letting me know what y'all want to see in the comments, because I'm doing this for y'all. I want y'all to stay interactive. If you don't like something or if you want to see something different, let me know, because then I can bring it to you. You feel me? Yeah, make sure you turn on post notifications. Stay tuned for a video every single day this week. Are y'all excited? Because I'm excited. We're about to decorate the entire house. It's gonna be a whole shebang, so stay tuned for more. I'm about to grab me something to eat and I'm gonna let y'all know what I decided. I'm at Chipotle, so fuck it, I'm getting this. I'm already here. We already in. I'm committed. Should I get a bowl or something? Should I get a bowl?
Bowl?
A bowl.
I don't know.
I'm for sure getting queso and chips, but a bowl or a burrito?
Copyright.
Oh God, bye. Yeah, salad to go. I didn't get a burrito or a freaking bowl. I'm getting a salad. Can I do chicken and cheese? Like the shredded? Y'all, I ain't never had a salad before.
Salad from here.
A salad from here. Not ever, but from here. So if it's not slapping, then I'm gonna be sad. Hi, wow, I'm back in the car now. So I ended up getting a salad instead of a bowl or a burrito, which is very non-like me. Anyways.
You got a salad? Well, I just got a free Chipotle burrito because of your salad.
No.
High five, dude.
But I had to get some chips and guac. If you don't know, then now you know. They gave me this honey vinaigrette sauce, which I never had.
Honey, vinaigrette. Vigorous.
I'm about to taste it, and if it's not good, then...
Let me taste it for you.
No. It looks saucy.
I realize that the bag be real lethal on the sound, so I gotta try it.
It ain't bad.
Okay.
It kind of tastes like a barbecue.
Okay.
Like drizzle.
Well, I think you should trust them, because they wouldn't have something that don't taste good.
All right,
so
taste it.
I think you should apply this special sauce onto the salad of greenery with the chicken amenery of yours on there. It's Vlogmas, but I'm feeling good. I don't want to go work no job.
That's good.
That's straight.
That's straight as hell.
It tastes like D-City barbecue.
Okay.
Okay, Chipotle.
Okay. Y'all better go try that.
That bitch doing that right now. Danny want to drink this cup.
You always, yeah. Ooh, you know you can do too much. This is all I got. All it is chicken, cheese, and lettuce. So I'm about to drizzle this on here because it's good. So
Because it's a good one, that's why.
this is y'all sign to try new stuff and break out of your shell.
Break out of your shell, man.
Your normal things that you do.
That's what it's about, man.
That's what it's all about. You gotta take the bigger lesson out of everything, or you will not grow.
You're not gonna grow.
You're not gonna grow. You're not gonna evolve.
You gotta break the cycle. You gotta break the chain.
This is the motivation for this morning, or not even morning. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, y'all.
You can't be successful. You can't grow if you don't try new things. You don't try something new. If you don't be different from everybody else, bro.
My stomach is hurting.
Everybody running north, you gotta run south. And if you want to be successful, bro, you gotta be different. You
maybe
can't.
you just gotta go northwest on your Kim K shit. My fault.
I'm like, coming over here today.
All right, I'm gonna do a taste test for y'all, and then I'm gonna catch y'all at the dollar store. That bitch saucy. Hold on. Kinda scrumptious.
Hey.
You know what this needs? Some apples or something. Some apples or some fruit.
Well, we need some fruit money. That's why we doing vlogs. I'm sick of eating bullshit food because it's cheap.
This is good. She did not give me enough lettuce, hella meat, and cheese.
Shit, you need some protein.
That's been good. So I rated a solid.
Give it a dub rate. Give it a dub rate.
Okay, hold on. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It's a solid 6.5, 7. But the service and the customers there and the overall aroma of the establishment.
The area.
I'd give it a 4. Just because where it's at.
Skylar trying it. It's good, bro. What you talking about? Really? Wow.
If y'all watch DDG and Dub.
No, Dub. Not DDG. If
You're not gonna know who Dub is if you don't know who DDG is, because Dub is irrelevant.
Woo wop.
Okay. Woo wop daddy. That's all he known for. Not even Daryl cousin or brother. Who are you?
Bruh.
I'm gonna catch y'all at the dollar store. I'm about to bust down this salad. I'll show y'all what it look like when I'm done, because I'm about to kill this. This is the finished product of the salad. And I think I'll give it a 6.5, maybe 7 out of 10.
Wow,
but my mouth is on fire. Well, it's not on fire. I'm OD. It's spicy, low key.
Niggas about to gas it for no reason. Give it a 7.5. Realistic.
Nah, it's actually like a 6.5 out of 7 or 6.5, 7.
6.5 out of 7.
Shut up. 6.5, 7 out of 10, just because you needed something else. Like, there wasn't many options. It's Chipotle. You don't go to Chipotle to get a salad, but for it to be a Chipotle salad, I give it a 6.5, 7. Anyway, just pulled up to the dollar store, you feel me?
Pull up to the nigga store.
Pulling up. Gonna get us a couple decorations on a little budget or whatever. Look like they gonna be closed for Christmas and Christmas Eve. Look like we came right in time for Vlogmas Day 1. Alright. The most wonderful time of the year. Okay, what we got? Solar stake lights. I think it's for outside. Alright. Ooh, should we put wrapping paper on the door? That'll be kind of saucy. They got these ones. This caught my eye first. I like this.
Hey, you guys.
This is a very nice one. What does it say? Yeah, 'tis the season.
Alright.
'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Okay, what else do we like?
Always a hanging thing.
Always need a hanging one. Yes, that is true. Ooh, for Vlogmas, you could do day 1. Y'all better stop sleeping on the dollar store, because they gonna have that shit. Y'all better stop.
Hey, what's that?
I'm trying to put y'all on.
What's that for?
It's like a calendar, and you change it every day. That's
So we
nice.
can put this on the door
Yeah.
instead of that.
Yeah. Let's do this one. That one's saucy. The Nutcracker, like Gwen.
Yeah, like Glenn.
We got 3 hanging things.
Yeah.
We can still get the Santa's Workshop then. And we got three hooks to hang on the door. We got 3 hooks on the door to hang stuff. Yeah, you'll need them. They're easy to stick on too. So it's not really hard like the other ones. These are kind of cool. Oh, these are gift tags, but they still cute. I'm not really fucking with the nut dude. Oh, it's more stuff. Okay, yeah. Elf is nice. Or a Christmas tree. Or candy cane. Ginger, all these options. Oh my God. All these freaking options. I like this one. This is a very cute one. I like this one. What you gotta say about this one?
Oh, the candy cane? Yeah.
You know, we gotta get stuff to decorate inside too, so.
Yeah, but like, where we gonna put stuff at inside? We really ain't scoped that out yet. We said
Nah.
we put the door today.
So just the door today?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I like this.
Yeah, we hanging that on there.
Okay. We getting the candy cane and the elf because, yeah, you need both.
Okay, look, hear me out.
Look at the penguin!
Hear me out.
Look at him.
Hear me out.
What?
Let's put this one back.
Okay. Why?
And let's get this one.
Why?
Because we're getting the green.
Okay,
red, and
I see it.
So we can still color coordinate. That's red and white.
I see it.
But this is red and green.
Yeah, but we got a red and white paper
Right, it's already gonna be a lot of red and white. We
Type.
need another color.
type shit. Okay, cool. Got the scheme of things now.
So we
We got huge ass snowflakes. Now this is saucy, but the door kind of, it ain't enough room for all that. Do we need a wreath? That's kind of like a classic.
I feel like everybody gonna have a wreath.
Right, we gotta be different.
That's gonna be basic.
Yeah. Yeah.
think
We
the
low-key be having a competition with us and our other neighbors because like the apartment we stay in, it's all like older people that's like settled down with their kids, right? We like the youngest people probably in the apartment. So we be trying to like, you know, bring some spirit in there. We decorated for Halloween, had pumpkins, we decorated Thanksgiving, so now we doing Christmas. Let me finish picking out everything and I'm gonna show y'all everything at the register. Unless I find something like really cool. But yeah, let me pay attention and pick, okay? I know I said I'm gonna record when I get to the register, but I think I'm sold. Ho ho ho. What you fucking with? You think your foot can fit in here?
And some socks, not no footies.
And some socks.
No, these are too small.
These are baby ones up here. I think they get bigger as you go
Look how
down.
skinny that is, though.
They stretch? What are socks?
Then they're gonna be fat and ugly.
Because your foot fat and ugly. So, what is that?
Pick out a bow.
A bow? Anyway, yeah, that's all I want to show y'all. They just smack like this. Better load up on these. grab a couple of them motherfuckers. What's that fat green thing? Lettuce?
It's a Christmas tree.
Oh, it's a Christmas tree. Dollar store got that shit. Do not sleep on the dollar store. Not the Dollar General, not the Dollar and More. The Dollar Tree, the real tree. This is Dollar Tree. Had to copy and tape real quick. Put the decorations on the door. So the Scott should do just fine. Basket looking pretty fruitful. Found some antlers. Damn. Found some antlers for Cat. We heading to checkout and we getting freaking stuck grabbing juice and candy. Okay, what you grabbing? Anything? Okay, what I'm hitting up? Warheads sound good as hell, but my tongue can't do it. Here is everything chopping up real quick. It looks fantastic. Damn! Where's my nigga Frosty? Alright y'all, so we've been back home for a little minute now, but I was sitting there editing some of what we already had recorded just so I can get it up to y'all before like 9 o'clock. So maybe like 7 to 8 is when I'm expecting to upload it, and it's 4 o'clock right now. So we're about to decorate the door real quick, and then I think that's gonna conclude today's video. Let's go ahead and get started because like I said, I gotta keep on editing. Do y'all like my antlers? How do you say it? Antlers? Antlers? Antlers. Yeah, we were supposed to put them on Cat, but they didn't fit, so now they're mine. So we got the top half and the bottom half, but the middle with the doorknob kind of there causing a problem right now. So he's cutting out just that little strip. This is our Ring camera. Well, Blink, Amazon Blink, fucking Ring. Which is $100. Hooks for these ones here. Probably this one at the top. Santa's Workshop. Okay, then we got an L. Got the L hung up. Oh, there's the strip that I was talking about. One little candy cane.
Hey, we gotta take them off for a minute.
Okay,
under
pause.
Construction.
Hold on. And done! This is the final product, you guys. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. So now you can see with the wrapping say up close just to see the cat.
Bro.
Cat! What you gotta say? Oh no! This little piece is gonna need some, whatever that thing is called, tinsel, garden, whatever that's called. Yeah, we can't do nothing about that. You just gonna have to just ignore that part. But besides that, it look pretty straight to me. I get this door without the tinsel. I get this bitch a solid 9. Yeah, man, let us know what y'all think. It's a little empty at the bottom, I think.
No, it's the bottom.
Yeah, it's the bottom. You're right. All right, what would you rate our door?
I rated a good, I rated a 7.5.
Why you rated a 7.5?
Cause I don't like how I can see the line right here.
Okay, well, we're gonna fix that tomorrow. This is only Vlogmas day 1. So there is more to come. So make sure y'all stay tuned because this is not the final product. It's just for today.
Bro.
What?
Damn shit ripping.
Okay, we can tape it. It's okay.
Hold it on. Damn, fucking up all the shit. Damn, like what shit fuck up.
Okay. Alright, y'all, we about to put the final pieces on the door, just a little bit of more heavy duty tape. So this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow because today is only day one of Vlogmas. So don't miss out. Everything that's coming, you're gonna get all your little Christmas inspo, all of that. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned, subscribe. Recipes. Yeah, recipes, cookies, all of that. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what else y'all wanna see, like I said. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all next time.